just show you how to delete a mobile from the audio system in this Nissan 370Z. So from any screen, onto settings. You've got navigation, audio and Bluetooth down there. So we'd go down to Bluetooth, click select. Then we need paired device list. So down to paired device list, click OK or enter here. Hands-free, click enter. You've got Barry's iPhone, that's the one I want to delete. There's no other ones in, but if there was, you just navigate to the one you want to delete. So click enter on there. On the right hand side, you've got connect, preferences and delete. We want to go to delete, click delete. Barry's iPhone is already on the list. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. And it's saying there, Barry's iPhone deleted.